Omuzannyi muto Krop Dominic nzalwa ekitundu ekya Karamoja nga yakwata kyakutaano mu misinde gya National Cross Country egy'abato egyayindira mu district y'Etororo gye buvuddeko. Olw'omutindo gwa Zayolesa yayitibwa ku ttiimu y'eggwanga ey'abaddusi abato abagenda okukiikira Uganda mu za World Junior Cross Country Championship e Slovakia okuva nga ennaku z'omwezi 2 omwezi guno. Mu mboozi yaffe naye agamba okubeera ku ttiimu y'eggwanga si kyangu nga bw'atyo atandise olugendo lw'ekirooto kye.
I feel good because being in a national team is not easy. It's not easy. So I'm so proud for that, and I have to do my best. Side that also I be in the next coming trial. I have to be in also. My target, I have to go and get a goal for my country, Uganda.
Krop y'omu ku bazannyi abatandikira mizannyo egya Karamoja Games egyatandikibwawo mu mwaka gwa 2018. Yadde embeera tewoomya nnakabululu mu bitundu bya Karamoja. Ensangi zino abategesi b'emizannyo gya Karamoja Games bakakasizza nti gyakubeerawo okuva nga ennaku z'omwezi 29 ne 30 omwezi guno mu district eya Nakapiripiriti. Bino byogeddwa omutegesi w'empaka zino Okot Richard n'abakungu abalala.
All the 9 districts of Karamoja are prepared. Preparations in very high gear, they are set. So all the districts will arrive in Nakapiripiriti on 28th. Arrival will be there for the games on 29th and 30th. So all is set, and the Karamojongs have seen that this event will bring peace in the region.
We'll have athletes and especially the youth competing. So the idea around the games is to encourage participation of the youth, to empower them, and to develop the region through sports, and of course not forgetting to earmark and sport talent that is within the Karamoja region.
This is finding someone who is capable of going to Slovakia. This is finding someone who is capable of going to Beijing from Karamoja. I mean, we celebrate Kiprotich, we celebrate all these stars of ours that go to the Olympics and they come with medals, and we pick them up from the airport with draped in flags and the roads, convoys and all this. This is where it starts from.
Emizannyo gya Karamoja givuganyizibwamu district 9 ezikola ettundutundu lya Karamoja okuli Kalenga, Napak, Kabong, Kotido, Abim, Moroto, Nakapiripiriti, Nabiratuk ne Amudat. Abel Chitaka, Salt TV, Omunyo.